How to cash out Yupp AI points. Earning Yupp AI points is great, but how do you turn them into real cash? Let's walk you through the step by step process. So, first and foremost, log into your Yupp account. Now, from here, go to your profile dashboard. So, you can go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right, and then click on your name to head over to your profile. Open the points or reward section. So you'll basically find it into this section. Here you'll see your current balance. So before cashing out, make sure you've reached the minimum payout threshold. This is usually between 10 and 20 US dollars worth of points. Next, click on the cash out tab and you'll see several withdrawal options: PayPal, Venmo, or stablecoins like USDC via Coinbase, Solana, or Base. Enter your payment details carefully. For PayPal, type your email. For Venmo, your username. For crypto, piece your wallet address and double check everything to avoid failed transfers. Click on confirm cash out, and PayPal and Venmo payouts usually take 3 to 5 business days. Crypto transfers are faster, often within hours. And that's it. Your Yup AI points can now be cashed out into real money.